All right, debug time. So always have to make sure it's on the screen with the 60 refresh rate. Settings, and then we go to debug no hit is off. Well, you're not seeing the song creator tab. Hold on. Let me see if I can do that. Add that in. See, that's how it kind of goes together right now in this version. Now I should just have the program printing everywhere a session number, so I don't have to update it on the Twitch every time. Well, okay, so some other things that I adjusted is the guitar input screen. Man, there's nowhere good to put this session number text at. So I'm just trying to make this screen look nicer than the previous version. And then the stats. See, it shows the song creator when you go to stats. It's like the database side of it. And then you go one level deeper, the actual comparison view that I improved recently. And this one is interesting in particular when I go back to E standard, interpol. It probably, actually, no, not that one. E standard, interpol. If you really love nothing, stats. Look at the July 24th edition. And then this really highlights the recent changes. Optimization improvements during rendering for every frame. And note velocity adjustments based on the speed of the song. Oh, sorry. Lots of background noise going on. Well, I just decided to start streaming because I'm programming, and I program more than I play, but I don't stream unless I play usually. Because the programming side isn't that fun because I'm not showing any of the source code. Uh, oh, I'm figuring that out. So the stats, got better stats here. So 25% increase of accuracy from 71 to 96 just in one playthrough alone. And I still have to fix the drop C chords that are not properly defined, but I'm not up for that task yet. I've been changing this career mode as well. The songs that are chosen based on the difficulty. Try to get that more aligned. Alright, so Brooklyn Beat House E Standard. Be nice if I could increase the visuals for this particular screen. Oh great, I crashed it. Interesting. How did I crash that? This screen is nice and animated. Got the flashing title, you got this satellite or the stars and the shooting stars. Maybe I should share that concept inside of the venue. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's see how that goes. right. Um, so I think I'm gonna improve the, well, this screen in particular. Make it look more nice, polished. Because at the moment, there's only static elements here. There's nothing moving, there's nothing dynamic. What I mean by that is, well, compared to the previous screen, this is nice. The title, the stars, and the shooting stars. So three different things, animated and dynamic. I'd like to have every screen in one way or another animated. Like if you go back, this country map is not yet animated and it's too colorful. And the world map, there is animations, but it's not activated yet. I have to reach a certain condition. But then like this start screen is nice and animated. And then you go to the guitar input, there's nothing yet animated. I mean, the tuner screen is animated, obviously. The settings screen is a bit dull. The stats screen is I'm trying to improve the way it looks. And this screen here, this is where I also extended the dynamic animation. And this one was interesting because I had to, well, I rewrite everything basically is the easier way to say it. Like just how the underlying, there's so many departments of this project, and I have to update it like a little bit on this department and switch over to another department and update that department. So along the way, there's a lot of intertwining aspects that updating one area requires updating another area. Um, so like when I go to this screen, I go back. Now I'm at the start screen, then I go to quick play, then I'm at this screen, then I go to settings, then I'm at this screen. But settings opens this screen before opening that settings screen, and then there's a database screen. And debugging database career mode without, and this was fun update. So I can manipulate the database through the GUI as a user, and this thing, database management, I have to make sure, I'm still updating, I just updated the difficulty table concept, what it means to have a difficult, or the definitions of difficult songs, like how it chooses in career mode what songs. This is difficulty 1 right here. So these songs should be technically the easiest of the varying songs that are eligible. So this screen, all right, let's see. Guitar, no, this is the screen. Programming here. If only you could see the programming side, but this is the user's perspective, so there's going to be a lot of staring at screens here. Oh man, hold on. It's going to be programming here. This programming, it's boring on your side, but I'm doing a lot of programming, so it's gonna be a couple minutes till I have an update. Who knows if I'll get it the first try. I probably missed some spots. I want to see what errors I get. Just reorganizing some code here to make it easier for me on the programming side. Oh wait, I have to redo this. Hold on. Ah, never mind. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's do it. Hold on. More times staring at a black screen. Undo that. Too complex. Gotta keep it simple. This might resolve it. For the current error, making this my own class with duplicate variables of the other class is not logical in one way, but another way it's logical for the organization. Wait, no, that didn't work out. All I'm trying to do is like have the venues same as the city. Keep going. Well, that's a bummer. All right, I guess I'll stash it. Again. All right, let's see how this goes. I just changed some logic around, simplified it to make it shareable between two different areas. Just to add it to the venue. To reinitialize the stars between going from city to venue because the venue should already have them created by going to the city. Yeah, remove the gradient. That much is for sure. See if it's as easy as duplicating the code for adding the stars. Oh, yeah. The error out at the venue name pulsating, that's not defined yet. Didn't like that, obviously. But I never actually updated the background. Okay, let's try that again. Well, it's progress, but it's not dynamic. It's static. Means I have to figure this out even more. I'm only calling it once, it looks like. So I have to change that and then make sure only update the background and not static content. All right, no problem. All right, well, program it just yet. Just gonna sit for a minute. Actually, hold on. Oh, I should have it down now. Let's try this out. Let's see if this is dynamic. Whoa. That was wrong. Obviously, that's wrong. Oh, I have to clear the other ones first. Got it. Close. Debug. It's not updating every time. Strange. Current view is not changed. Oh no, current view is venue. You're not detecting the current view correctly? Oh, it is. Oh, this is strange. Let's try this. Oh, it is calling a draw venue screen. Huh. What? Why isn't it doing anything? Close. Take a break. All right, let's see how it goes. So it's being called drawing venue screen. It's just not updating the background. They're confused with why that is. Let me draw a debugger or do the debugger. Oh, I know why. I think I know why. I'm missing one key line. The part that says, actually, hey, update everything. Okay, well, uh, I erased the venue. Okay, well, it's progress. I mean, I erased the set list. Okay, let's see how this goes. Damn. Well, I drew it once and then I just lose it, huh? That's unfortunate. I think I might have a way around it. More debugging print. Man, so it's not drawing the... Oh, I'll have to figure this out here, just a set list. Drawing, the venue set list gets erased. To not consider it. Well, I don't. Oh, I'm still trying to figure this out. Darn it. So I only have a drawing. What it shouldn't draw only when it's static. It should save when it's drawn as static. Something's still off. Oh, well, is it because splitting to the wrong screen, perhaps? Let me see. I don't know. Let's see if this is it. Doing something, changing the surfaces. There we go. I was drawing on the wrong screen. Oh, but it's missing the profile and the legend. Dang it. Okay, I know why. menu version of the. Actually, there is no legend here, but I could perhaps add a legend on the screen. Green equals played, red equals unplayed. Anything else? So that's the profile, the set list, animate the title, draw a legend. Oh, the back button. Okay, it's better. All right, so that is good. Let me see what I could do about the legend. All right, I'm gonna try to add something. Let's see how it goes. First try, let's see how it goes. 0 shot. Okay. I didn't remove the static text for the Brooklyn Beat House venue name, but that's okay. I added the setlist legend. Okay, getting rid of the static venue name, can have it just be the dynamic. Better. Oh, it's missing the play button. Oh, what is that? Where's the play text? Okay, good. I don't know, like the green and red colors, how do I say, can be confusing because like you have the green text ready to play and the green button play. But when you look at the set list, the green represents played and the red is unplayed. I mean, it's straightforward, I guess. All right, maybe the screen is fine for now. It's got the song choices customized. Have to do some more detailing in other areas, perhaps. And you see these country maps though, like I've been trying to make these as good as possible, like the world map, country map, these other countries. Got myself to level 50. Go to another country. Let's go to Olympics in France, take an airplane over. Then we just choose Paris because it's there. And see, oh, actually, hold on. This map is like, I'm trying to get better maps. This is too much. It's too static as well. Because I like the world map the best so far because it's less colorful. It has more focus on the career mode objective, just going to different venues across the countries and cities. And like when you look at this colorful, I can't tell where okay, the button's way off, but I like each country to have an easier to read map. Like the maps I have right now are okay. The XY coordinates of the cities, it's not quite accurate at the moment. It's just a placeholder because I haven't decided on the actual maps that I'm going to have here. These are just placeholder, just to demonstrate. But I do like the world map the best. It's just getting the country map is tough. I tried something called GeoJSON, and so far my attempts in GeoJSON just don't get a good grasp of a country view. So I'm gonna have to try to get like more of a this version of a map where it's less cultural based or colorful. I want more static, like a bluish grayish, brown, whatever. But this current country stuff is just too much. Like you have to be level 63 to unlock that one. So the different venues. I forget what baptism by fire is like. I hope I don't have debug on. Okay, I don't. I mean, I guess it's difficulty 1. The thing is, it's still hard-coded to my certain thing, my user preference of a allowable tempo for this. I mean, in regards to the difficulty. So could actually be considered difficult, considering this difficulty level 1, which I don't really agree with. But yeah, that is kind of bothering me how it's choosing particular songs for the venues. Because whenever I update the function that defines the difficulties, I go to the database, update song difficulty. I just made it recently have difficulty per arrangement because you know, a rhythm would be easier than a lead, I would think. Or to me it is. Sometimes. Varies. Usually less notes for a rhythm than a lead, for example, per measure. So in some ways, it is accurate to grab mine as least difficult for these songs to an extent compared to the other ones that I have in the library. So quick play, standard. Because I haven't played Blink 182, damn it. I mean the song name, damn it, because that means it's not in the list of eligible songs to play, but I'm sure as soon as I play it, same with Deep Purple. Um, I just haven't really focused on adding a bunch of songs. I've just been happy with the ones that I have and intermittently adding one because I've been focusing on this song creator aspect, which makes the songs. But anyways, and different tunings, drop C, E flat. Been having fun with drop C. Sabbath is standard? What? I don't know. I have to double check that. But that one's not added yet in the career mode yet. Because at first it waits for a play to grab the data. Because it grabs the, the output first, defined by playing it a time or two. So you have to do quick play, then career at the moment. But let's see. I updated the difficulty, calculate song difficulty function. There's a parameter, user comfort tempo, which is uh, I'm sure it's varying by person. For me, it's a certain tempo because I'm used to sight reading at this point. I'm used to knowing what each color represents of what string and fret coordination, hand-eye coordination with frets and all that stuff. But I'm just talking about the calculate song difficulty. Yeah, hold on. So I think I have to take it away from the concept of calculating a tempo difficulty based on a comfort tempo. It's not the best way to go about it. So let me see if I could change it. Okay, removing the concept of user comfort tempo in terms of calculating the difficulty of songs. Let's see how that goes. First, I'm gonna clear the previous venue's track list. Delete it and it crashed. All right, same songs, ironically. Well, actually, a long ways to the top. I don't remember how that one's like playing. I'm thinking about when am I gonna reset my data? I'm just gonna keep recording forever. I still have so much sessions to render. What else did we do? Let's try the rhythm. Okay. Alt lead. Really, blue sky. Huh. I have to see why that one happened. See, the alternative idea is I could do like a set list. Set list. And there, modify. Oh, well, there's a way to do like suggest songs, but that's a different thing. I'm trying to do the career based on a different calculation. Or if it doesn't choose the same songs between venues, set list. Might have to if there's not much else to choose from for that difficulty. So if I choose level 15, difficulty 2. So USA here in this instance is a certain level only. You go somewhere else, it's higher level, 49. And these are different songs. I think Mountain Jam, with difficulty 4. Paranoid. Oh, okay, it did add Paranoid by Sabbath. I swear, I didn't play that one. I thought it goes through note logs. Let's see. If I go to quick play, open, standard, Sabbath, times played 0. Well, it goes through songs. There's a fallback. If it's not played, it's still registered as a song, but it doesn't have a difficulty calculation. All right. So what else could I update here? We push. Yeah, I'm curious actually. Drop C lead. Oh yeah, these are songs that I haven't played. See, I'm trying to also think how to apply the stats to career mode because there's no way I'm playing the songs at 100% tempo. I was thinking of getting that intertwined into career mode, but that's something more advanced later on. These are ones that I can't play those. Song length. Doesn't like certain something about that song, I don't think. There's a reason why I haven't played that one. Oh, actually, why'd it crash? Let's go back. I don't remember what venue that was. Just remember as drop C, element of 1, total seconds. Something's off. Does that always happen though? I go to E standard play. No? Why did error there? On drop C, element of 1. That is so weird. Open guitar profile. Yeah, yeah. Strange. Int object. Oh, it's a format. What? Int object has no attribute. Where did I define it as a int? It's supposed to be a time. Oh, I see. Debug. Song length is -1. Why? It didn't open the song? It didn't open. Oh, it's a different error. What? Oh, that is weird. Okay. For some reason it's getting the. Okay. Hunt down the errors. See, uh, found out where it's airing, kind of. It's because it's in a subfolder. It's not in the same folder as the other. Like, I have something called optional folders. So if you go to the open file, you go to here, you go to the tuning, artist, and then this is where I have usually the songs, but then I go to this other folder, optional folder. That's where element of one is. So it just picked up a different path and errored out. So let's see if it works. See, play. Okay, there we go. But still, at different levels, venues, career. Um, I gotta have more um, insight as to the difficulty of the venues before not requiring to click into it. So you have to go all the way into it ju just to see. And then look at it's like the difficulties choosing the same songs. Okay, hope is element of one. Element of one is like in difficulty two, one, and two. It's like it's always there. I don't like that. Let me try getting rid of the changes I did for difficulty right now. Restart and clear out the database and see what the previous preference was. Maybe it was better. Database, clear out the track list so I can regenerate. Okay. And then update the difficulty. Element of one, just barely breathing, less serenade, Rose of Sharian, right? Rose of Sharon. Let me go to difficulty 5. Why is element of one always on there? Doesn't make sense. Hope is like the most typical one, so that's accurate. All right. So the the venue, level 30, difficulty 5. See, the thing is, I don't know how good some of these files are. Here, settings. Okay, got the fast note speed. This is gonna be fast tempo. 4. So why is this in the difficulty 1? Do 1 element of 1. It's in difficulty 5. Whoa, what was that? I drew the career map for a second. Right here. Whoa, that is weird. When you press start, the initial time when you go from the venue, press play, press start, the very first time it's in a, oh, if you do it really quick before the idle kicks in, because there's an idle screen right here. No, that was too slow. Now it won't. See, that idle screen is kind of messing things up a little bit, but I kind of let it go. Dang. See, it's like you have to wait for that idle screen to kick in before you could actually press play. It's like initializing stuff. There we go. So if I press start before the idle screen kicks in, Then it shows the world map. All right. I'd like to play the career mode more, but I'm still getting down the whole concept. So let's say I start off at level 0, back to level 0, and I close out the venue track list. Venue, level 0, drop C lead, element of 1. Why? What difficulty is it saying that is? It's not something that I'm going to solve now, I don't think. It's something that has to be thought out on what the good route is for career mode. Because when I go level 0, difficulty 1, I see this song, same song that applies in um, difficulty 1 and difficulty 5. This seems wrong unless I apply the dynamic tempo based on the career mode automatically. There's several ways I could go about the career mode. I could go have the career mode suggest the songs based on the user, like force create set lists. That's one way to go about it, which it sounds more tempting, like that set list suggest songs logic. Just have it build set list. But the thing is, the difficulty will have to be based on the tempo or something. I think that's what I might have to do. I think this is not going to work in the current format. I'm going to have to change the tempo and add the songs. All right, well, consider this devlog. I'll have to think that function through. Now, yeah, I never played this song. Yeah, so ideally I would have the career. Oh, that's too high settings, 164. Let's try 90. Maybe I could force to use JSON file settings. That sounds more appealing. So level 1 will have like slower difficulty tempo settings. But still, this isn't. Okay, I can't have the difficulty based on the song actually. Because every user is going to have their own song and all this stuff. I should just have the difficulty on the tempo or something. I never played this one. Never saw what this notation looks like. Sounds just by looking at it. When I think of this song, I think of the acoustic guitar. This sounds like the distortion one, obviously. Unless I readjust the database table to have called. If I have the database table updated to a different format for the song difficulty, have it track tempo settings. All right, that's something else to think about. For now, I'm happy with the change that I did to this venue screen. Added the dynamic surface blending with the static surface, shooting stars, venue name text dynamic, and then back button, play button, set list legend, profile static, the set list screenshot static, and let's see the scroll. Scroll should work. Oh, the venue progress. I gotta draw that. Look at, I forgot that. I'm scrolling and it's showing. Look at the player profile is supposed to be dynamic too. Let's see what I could do. Driving the what's it called? I want to see what it looks like to have the XP bar and flashing it or animating as it should. It should be pulsating. It's on the venue screen. Oh, of course I didn't draw it. Damn it. Service screen. Oh well, maybe that's good enough for now. I just revert it. See, there's a lot to do. I'll just mimic it. Actually, I have to draw the. Wait, why is it not showing the? I'll draw the new progress. I have to add that again. See how this goes. All right, there we go. Draws the progress. See, it's easy to miss something. All right, let's see. So if I scroll, you're gonna look at this percentage bar. It's gonna animate, and it's only doing that because I'm scrolling. If I stop scrolling, it stops. But also like fast forwards to stars an extra frame. But it's okay. Tuning text. Oh, what the heck? Look at it's drawing it twice or something. It doesn't look good. You should only draw it once. There we go. Simple fix. Don't overlap text. Oh, someone asked something. I didn't realize they're still here. Or if they're here or not, I might have missed it. Don't know how long it was ago. Damn. Wait a second. No, I didn't fix it. Hold on. Wait. I did it. The Oh, hold on. I think it's because did I forget a zero? Forgot a zero. So if you if you have RGBA, you need to consider the A, especially at multi-layer. Lesson learned. Okay. Next, releasable. Well, anyways, if that person's here or not, I don't know. Person says, is this still really early alpha? And my response is, it's technically releasable. Take that as you will. Okay, programming. What do programming? Man, ways to go about this. How do we want to go about it? Well, I know that I usually play like every time I play, like I go to, say I'm at the song chosen every every time. Tempo, dynamic, apply, apply. And that goes by the stats, previous playthroughs. I mean, I'd like to make this screen look nicer. I mean, granted, it's not bad, it's not terrible, but it's not fancy either. It's all static. You gotta like really read the order. Okay. I know these are all lead because look at like I have a lead selected. So like I could like rename the format of the buttons to not be the exact JSON file name, perhaps? I don't know. Add mass highlight text over the buttons. Click here. So this one I didn't play. Also, I have to pass in the date. It's not passed in this screen. So July 4th. I don't have. I bet I'll get updated accuracy because I updated this since then. And the faster note speed going on. It's like my accuracy is improved because of the recent render improvements. I don't know how much it shows on this video, but on my screen it's noticeable. It's playable. I have to try it on Windows more. Operate Windows operating system. Still areas that I like to optimize as much as possible the gameplay loop itself. So right now, it's a blend of CPU and GPU, to say the least. And I've been trying to offset everything I could to the GPU, but things I'm still calculating on the CPU and setting to the GPU. And I just mentioned that because my goal is to have these videos with the seamless note movement and the guitar playing it with the seamless as much as possible, not like jitteriness. I discovered on Windows there's there's a stutteriness or something because there's just because of the way the Windows operating system is. So I've been experimenting a lot with Windows because the program works flawlessly on Mac. I'm just on Windows, I had to do real-time priority, which is necessary to play it at 60 FPS smoothly. And the refresh rate of the monitor is required to be 60 for this most accurate movement as possible. Doesn't help that I'm running OBS right now. It's showing glitchy movement, which is unfortunate. So I don't know if I ever expert or if I ever 100% achieve GPU, how if that would have improved Open Broadcaster rendering smoother. So far, all of my attempts using OpenGL, modern GL, I have trouble getting the idea of a camera with notes having world position. My notes only have position relative to the screen as two-dimensional. So that's, that's just because I want to stick to Python. I could do Godot, I could do Unity. I just don't want to. Like I don't think it's necessary. Like at that level, sure, there's more you can do, but it kind of takes away some of it to play. So I'll end the stream. Where I say, yeah, I spent at least over a year trying to get the full GPU OpenGL. And it's been, um, how you say, there's not, like the OpenGL is really, really difficult. Three-dimensional space and vertices. And what makes it difficult is because, um, well, I'm using Pygame, okay? And in Pygame, the XY coordinates for 0 0 is top left of screen, which is where my current positions are for everything. Like the nodes start, the nodes end at Y vector 842 plus the node height 15. So 847 or whatever, or 857. And then if you convert that to OpenGL, you gotta like flip it around because the OpenGL XY coordinates 0 0 is the center of the screen. So it's just another layer of complexity of getting the current calculations of everything. Note start time, the note end time, relative to the song, camera being the note position of the time, current song time. I mean, you get really into the technical details, but um, seems like the performance optimizations I make are iterative. You know, stare at it long enough, eventually there's adjustments to the code over time because there's a key critical functions 60 times a second. Just optimizing that with the guitar input at the same time. Um, that's been a lot of my focus. Yeah, if you look at the recent song playthroughs, the stats. Well, this one I have song frequent chords not defined yet, 100%. Let's look at other ones. Most recent, if I could. 2%, A better than 58, and drop C. And I gotta play these again just because I have updated formula or whatever. I think I did Thin Lizzy. I know I could look at the song here. Let me look at the song creator. Yeah, that list. Go to where we see Canon Rock, and we go to View Plays. Look can't sort it yet. It's a bit out of order. Look at that, 94% accuracy. Canon Rock. That's 90% accuracy. It's more. 94% accuracy, longest streak 140, 1,091 hit count, 73 miss count. Average tempo 60. Wow, let's look at Canon Rock stats on the stats screen. Quick play, standard, Jerry C, Canon Rock stats, July 24th. Okay, Canon Rock. So the two most recent playthroughs. So the most recent playthrough, I made a number of performance improvements in the program itself, detecting the note hit and showing the note speed, and my accuracy increased by 21%. Though I did miss a lot because the tempo was sped up, and the tempo I was not used to being that fast in some areas. So if I go to the what is it, tempo screen, dynamic, and I go here. So I have to hit 75% accuracy to increase by 5%. Oh, look it, I don't have this reversal on. That's probably why. I gotta turn that setting on next time. And it won't matter. I'll have to do it when I play it. Hey, this tempo screen's not supposed to display. Told you not to display. You've been erroring out. Oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna end the stream. See you later.